We live in an information-based society, where the advance of technology brings a much more amount of information with it than one single man can handle. So, it is forecasted the necessity of forming groups of work that would assume a problem, would look at it in the basis of more disciplines and solve it like a whole. Meanwhile, it can be noticed the transformation of the value of power. If until now the power has meant information, now we have much more information than we need, and the assignment of value goes to knowledge. The sum of knowledge, even in diverse fields, is not enough anymore, but the way these are integrated gets a particular importance. In this transition, education has a remarkable role, because it is that one that forms the human basis of the new society, so the future of the humanity. The economical, political, and social environment nowadays is reflected in people through education, and so, since the early ages, children are taught in the base of the question how a problem can be solved, without having concrete and coherent answers to questions like what problem we have to solve, why it is necessary to solve such a problem, and only then how and what instruments we need. More than that, we often talk about solving problems, but we don't know how to raise an issue anymore, how to ask questions to the nature, and so we create spare parts in a social system instead of concentrating on the individual human value. Nexus School wants to use the expertise and creative potential of specialists from Romania, and the achievement, the conceptual and methodological background for solving general issues through a non-linear approach of natural phenomena. Nexus is a complementary school, a school without barriers and without walls, that approaches a problematic in a transdisciplinary vision based on cooperation between people of different ages, hobbies, and professional and educational training, where parents, teachers, and children form a group that coexists, are both students and teachers, and together discover the world around. This school is based on understanding the essence of the ideas that would generate the joy of finding, the joy of learning, and that of being together. All these bring interior harmony to the individual that will develop naturally and will understand the necessity of both mathematics and arts in his life much easier. The human being will be in a natural process of continuous learning, with joy through edutainment. The Nexus program started with the question, is life reducible to physics and chemistry? The issues approached of Photopen Nexus Center are related to plants and crystal growth, and the fascinating world of forms. Every Saturday, parents, teachers, and children at ages between 4 and 18 learn by playing to watch the world around from many angles, without being constrained of the actual limits of knowledge and the known history.